What's good, y'all? Hey, check this out. That's a big boat, you know what I'm saying? I don't even know what the hell it is, but it's huge. Look at this monster. Let me get up a little closer, y'all. All right, there we go. Look at how big this thing is. Like, it makes these little 30-footers look like Tinker Toys. This thing is, I don't know what they haul on one of those. Hopefully a bunch of oil. Look how. Thing is dope. Yo, my city's about one of the only cities that got one of these kind of bridges too. Look at that beast go through there. Like, how many men do you think it takes just to make that operate? I bet you it takes at least 10, 15 people just to drive that. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I ain't no boat expert though, so don't quote me. But it's pretty big. Yeah. Like, it makes the house that operates the bridge look tiny. Yo, when these come through, they gotta open them bridges up like 10, 15 minutes in advance. So like, there's a line of cars over there. You see them over there, you know what I'm saying? They're gonna be waiting another 10, 15 minutes. Yeah. All right, y'all. I just thought I'd share that with y'all. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Much love.